What are you doing today? I'm here to show you this program I made as well as how it works while using these dry jokes. When you click anywhere in the simulation, a water ball rains in and affects the waves of the water. The higher the drop, the faster the speed, which means an even bigger the wave. Are you tired of these water jokes yet? Well, here is how it works. You may remember that I created a water simulation a while ago in JavaScript. Don't worry, I promise this isn't boring. This one is different and works with hundreds of springs. When one spring is moved, it affects the other ones. Just look at it spring into action. But here is the math behind the springs. There are many formulas used, and I can rant about the science behind this, but then all of you would leave the video, so here is the formula for acceleration I used. The difference of the product of x multiplied by the quotient of negative k divided by m, and the product of d multiplied by v is equal to the acceleration, where k is the stiffness, m is the mass, v is the velocity, and d is my grades. Sorry, I meant d is the dampening value. The purpose of the entire second part is here to make the spring springless as much as a fake springing spring, so that it does not start springing a springing spring motion forever. The first part makes it where the larger the offset, the higher the velocity. But wait, how are you supposed to implement that? Well, you must make the spring move by adding the value of a from the formula to its current offset. Then you must add the value of v to the value of a to regulate velocity. This gives you a nice spring, much nicer than the spring of 20. To spread the springing spring energy of springing springs, you must calculate the distances of the offset of the spring and put any loss on it. That makes it look realistic. But wait, there is a problem. Due to spring physics, every other spring will have the opposite velocity value, making the water look super jaggedy, and it looks ugly. To fix this, you can make it draw a point at the average of 2 points, making a real smooth line. You can even use curve functions to make it even smoother, but nobody has time for that. If you want to see what project I'm currently working on, then join my Discord server. Thank you for watching.